Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding new friends in Garena Free Fire. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Adding people to your friends list in Free Fire is easy. From the main dashboard, tap the friend icon from the top right of the screen. This page shows a list of your current friends. You can add friends from your social networks by tapping Platform Friends and then logging in to your desired social network. Once you do that, your friends from that network who also play Free Fire will appear here. To add friends manually, tap Add from the left sidebar. Enter the nickname of your friend in the text box, and then tap Search. Find your friend from the list and tap the plus icon next to their name to send them a friend request. You can also find new friends here by changing the filters and tapping Search. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.